वतन में। जाना है वहाँ हमको जहाँ बाप और दादा है वो। जाना है वहाँ हमको जहाँ बाप और दादा है। बनना है संपूर्ण किया बाबा से वादा है। जो बाबा से किया था वो वादा निभाएंगे। हम उड़ के चले जाएं, ओ हम उड़ के चले प्यारे से वतन में, उस मीठे से वतन में। देहधारी ना याद आए हो, ये देह ना याद आए। देहधारी ना याद आए, ये पतित पुरानी सी हो दुनिया भी ना याद आए। याद आए तो बस अपना वो वतन ही याद आए। हम उड़ के चले जाएं, ओ हम उड़ के चले जाएं उस प्यारे से वतन में, उस मीठे से वतन में। से वतन में, उस प्यारे से वतन में, उस मीठे से वतन में, हो अव्यक्त वतन में, ओ हम उड़ के चले जाएं उस प्यारे से वतन में, हो उस मीठे से वतन में।
Om Shanti. Everyone's love for Baba. And of course, with that love, all of us, our mind and intellect is with Baba. That Baba, for offering home, invoked me. And I was with Baba in subtle regions. And everyone, their own way, decorate for Diwali. So what's the decoration in subtle regions? That was also very beautiful. So Baba was sharing very, very loveful drishti, very, very fulfilling as soon as I took drishti from Baba. Felt very, very powerful. And then I said, Baba, I brought bhog, and Baba looked at the bhog, gave drishti, accepted bhog. And then Baba still looks, keep looking at each one of us. So I looked at Baba. Baba said, you are thinking, what am I looking at, right? I said, yes, Baba, I'm thinking that what are you seeing in each one? Baba said, Baba is looking at the flame of Deepak. Baba is not looking at Deepak, but the flame. And what was Baba looking? That how within that flame, even if the flame is flickering very little or lot, some flames you could see flickering, but some, they are not visible, but still like very subtly is flickering. So Baba said that indicates that still there is some very, very subtle storm there. It is only with the storm, no, that light of the flickers. And Baba said it's not even visible. So Baba was giving drishti so that deeply within whatever subtle storm is there, Baba said it's not of vices, it's not of, but it's very, very subtle. And Baba said, and that subtle storm is still, that very, very, not even you can see it, but still it was, maybe it was very subtle. Baba could see it. And Baba said, now, when children just become very subtle with your subtle mind and intellect, look at your own self and notice that how much flickering is happening. Even if you might say, yes, no, I don't have any, but very subtly, if there is anything which emerges from sanskars, Baba wants you children to be very, very much stable. Baba said, because it is from this light or the flame, Lakshmi has to emerge. So Baba said that Lakshmi is not just the symbol of prosperity in a material way, but first it is internally. You have to become sampan, complete. Because when you are complete, you are full, then only you will be able to bestow on others. And it was so beautiful because Baba said, okay, Baba wants to make everyone not only Lakshmi, but Mahalakshmi. And for brothers was Vishnu. So I said, okay, we are ready. Baba is asking everyone, are you ready? So Baba said that you will become yourself. I said, Baba, you make us, no? And like Baba internally start creating that image of Mahalakshmi in each one of us. And it took, like, the way Baba wanted us to be very still, very loving, very, just the image. So Baba said that both powers are required in power of Lakshmi and power of Narayan. What are these powers? Because Baba said that holiness, spirituality, Narayan is the symbol of God, right? So all God's qualities is what emerges in you as Narayan, as divine. And then from there, what is created is abundance. And then Baba said, I said, Baba, so many flowers, fruits come for bhog. Baba said, because those who realize that without nature, of course, okay, Lakshmi, you get wealth, then what? No one will use wealth, no, in the sense of if you have to be sustained, you have to be sustained by nature, right? Beauty of flowers and trees and all the harvest, the food which you get, the fruits which you get. So Baba said that deeply within those who have feelings of gratitude, they would offer to Baba. This offering is not because my desire has to be fulfilled or something, but especially on Diwali, whosoever had the feeling of offering bhog is really coming from that feelings of gratitude. So Baba said, each one of you shouldn't think I will be Narayan or Lakshmi. Each one have to be both. Seen it in the image of Vishnu. There has to be both. So it's like Baba is decorating us. I mean, I had such powerful feeling that what is emerging in each one of us, I can say for myself, was this Mahalakshmi. And Baba said, now is the time, the need in the world. What is the need in the world? They need power, spiritual powers, but also they want to feel that their life is sustained properly. They have enough of everything. And Baba said they both are very combined. There are many, they might have a lot of wealth, but then if there is no spirituality, spiritual powers, because that same wealth will cause a lot of sorrow. But you children, whatever you have is through spiritual powers, through elevated actions. And because of that, there is constantly contentment. Then I said, Baba, we all are celebrating, we are happy. So then Baba saying, why are you all happy? Why you all say happy Diwali? What is your happiness? So Baba was looking at me and I said, well, first is you and then all attainments from you. All attainments are from you. That's why I'm happy. So Baba said, everyone should write, why am I happy? Is it just we say happy Diwali or really deeply within it's the feelings of gratitude or contentment or becoming what's the happiness? So each one of you write what is your happiness for this Diwali and what you are offering to Baba. So after that, this whole experience of what I have to become. Is it my efforts? Baba said, you become worthy, but I will decorate. That I cannot do to make you worthy. Yes, I am making worthy, but you have to make efforts to be worthy. But then decoration finally has to be by God. No, they say God's creation. Deities are God's creation. So at confluence age, Baba said, that's what I am doing. And but you have to be clean, you have to be, at least basics you have to do, right? Baba won't start with cleaning. Baba will only decorate. So whenever you want to experience, come to Baba. Baba will decorate you. So it was very lovely conversation. And then Baba said, as a diya, anyone can come and ignite, right, from that same diya. So same is just keep it so internally open yourself that anyone can come and ignite. Anyone can come. This is how from one lamp to another to another. So Baba said it will happen. Lot more and more souls would like to be ignited. But you have to stay stable, no? As he started, because when somebody is lighting and if your flame is not stable, it could extinguish, no? But if hundred diyas come with the same, keep lighting their diya from the one diya, so that diya has to be very stable. So this is what will happen, but you all children have to be very stable. And then Baba said, Baba wants to give children this gift that remain very still, that is completely full, so that other souls can also ignite and there can be Diwali, happiness, prosperity in the whole world. So then Baba also start wishing happy Diwali to each one of you. So what should I tell Baba? Happy Diwali for him? So I said, yes, it's always Diwali, always Diwali. So today Baba inspired us to be not only Lakshmi or Narayan, but to be Mahalakshmi or to be Vishnu combined form. And Baba gave lots of love to each one of us. Came back. Om Shanti. ओम लगाने के लिए गई। बाबा ने बहुत प्रेम से दृष्टि दी, भोग स्वीकार किया। फिर बाबा ने कहा कि देखो, बाबा क्या देख रहा था, हर एक का लौ देख रहा था दीपक की, कि कितनी स्थिर है, कि थोड़ी थोड़ी हिल रही है। कईयों की बहुत हिलती है, वो तो दिखाई पड़ती है, लेकिन बाबा ने फिर भी देखा कि बहुत ही सूक्ष्म में थोड़ी क्या हो रहा है, हिल रही है थोड़ी सी, बहुत सूक्ष्म में। तो बाबा ने फिर उसके बाद कहा कि नहीं बच्चे, अभी अंदर में कोई भी ऐसा संस्कार हो जिससे हलचल होती है, वो संस्कार आप अभी समाप्त कर दो इस दिवाली पर। क्योंकि जैसे अंत में बाबा ने कहा ना कि इतने लोग दिया जलाएंगे आपके दिए से, तो अगर स्थिरता नहीं होगी तो आपका दिया भी बुझने की संभावना हो जाएगी ना। तो ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए, इसलिए स्थिर रहो। फिर आज बाबा ने कहा हर एक को महालक्ष्मी बनना है। नारायण जो था उसमें आध्यात्मिक शक्तियाँ, प्रभु का प्रेम, और लक्ष्मी जो थी वो अपनी संपन्नता के कारण, धन संपत्ति के कारण मानी जाती है। आप में दोनों है ना, पहले अंदर की शक्ति है, आध्यात्मिक शक्ति है, बाबा की शक्ति है, और फिर सर्व प्राप्ति है, हर प्रकार की संपन्नता, धन की भी, संबंध की भी। बाबा ने कहा देखो, मैंने कहा बाबा आपके लिए बहुत ही प्रेम से सब फूल फल, तो बाबा ने कहा देखो, प्रकृति सबको देती है ना, तो परमात्मा बाबा के बाद फिर प्रकृति है। बाबा अंदर का खजाना देते हैं, फिर प्रकृति जो है, तो हम लोग फिर प्रकृति से जो कुछ मिलता है बाबा को ऑफर करते हैं, जैसे कि एक भावना रहे, उसी से ही फिर श्रेष्ठ कर्म होता है। क्योंकि आज धन संपत्ति है पर अनाज न हो, फल न हो, फूल न हो, पेड़ पौधे न हो, तो कैसे पालना होगी, नहीं हो सकती है ना। तो फिर बाबा ने कहा कि देखो आप लोग तैयार हो जाओ, फिर मैं सजाऊंगा। तो मैंने कहा ठीक है, बैठ जाते हैं। तो मेरे को तो ऐसा लगा जैसे बाबा आज माँ लक्ष्मी की तरह मुझे बहुत ही सजा रहा है, और अंदर में ऐसी फीलिंग हुई जैसे महालक्ष्मी हूँ, मैं महालक्ष्मी हूँ, ऐसी फीलिंग बिल्कुल आ रही थी। मैंने कहा बैठ जाओ ऐसे मूर्ति बन के, और क्या। तो मन तो ऐसे ही कर रहा था बैठ जाओ, लेकिन फिर वापस तो बाबा भेजता ही है। फिर उसके बाद बाबा ने कहा कि अपने दीपक को जगाए रखो, बहुत आएंगे दीपक जगाने के लिए। तो बाबा ने कहा कि थोड़ा पुरुषार्थ तो आपको करना होगा, बाकी बाबा आपको बहुत सजाएगा, हर बच्चे को बाबा, तो जो जो तैयार है बाबा उनको सजाएगा। ऐसे करते हुए बाबा ने सभी के लिए बहुत बहुत याद प्यार दी, और कहा बच्चे स्थिरता बनाए रखना, और अपना सदाई माँ लक्ष्मी का स्वरूप सामने रखना। ओम शांति।